Good morning to all of you. We are going to start the reteaching of the chapter reproduction in organisms. Now, when you talk about the word reproduction, it means that the organism produces new individuals of its own kind. Like dog produce babies which appear similar to dogs, cat produce kittens which appear similar to them, their parents. Same, the human beings also produce the offsprings or the individuals which appear similar to human beings. So reproduction means the new individuals are going to be produced from the individuals which are already existing. Now you are very much familiar with the type of reproduction. There are two types of reproduction known to us: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Now this is the difference column that shows you the clear-cut demarcation or differentiation between the two types. Now when the single parent is involved, then it's the asexual one. Now in the asexual, the individual divides and give rise to new individual which is the Xerox copy of the parent, and so it is known as clone, that is a genetically identical copy. The lower grade organisms like amoeba, paramecium, yeast, bacteria undergo the asexual type of reproduction. Now the next type of reproduction is the sexual type of reproduction, which involve two parents of separate sexes. These parents produce gametes. The gametes are fusing, and as a result of fusion of gamete, the zygote is formed, and from the zygote the new individuals are produced. The human beings, plants, animals, they undergo basically the sexual type of reproduction. Now in today's class we are going to study in detail about the asexual reproduction and its types. So here is a flow chart that gives you the details about the different type of asexual reproduction that occur in variety of organisms: fission, budding, regeneration, spore formation, fragmentation, vegetative propagation. Fission can be further divided into two types, that is binary fission and multiple fission. The budding is also two types, that is exogenous budding and endogenous budding. Vegetative propagation is further divided into two types, that is artificial vegetative propagation and the natural vegetative propagation. The natural vegetative propagation includes cutting. The artificial includes cutting, layering and grafting, whereas in natural vegetative propagation it occurs by the vegetative parts, that is the stem, root and leaf. The details will be given